Welcome to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. This is a website that you can use, ladies and gentlemen, to spin or to actually turn around, okay, if I may use that word, a text, okay, or a article or any text that you want to change and make it your own, if I may put it that way. All right. Now you've got two options. It's either you want to paraphrase it, all right, or you want to spin a text, okay, or anything that you want to spin, all right. And also this one still coming, okay, which is translate and spin. Now we are on the text spinner, right? I've already put a text here or a paragraph, just 3 paragraphs that we are going to spin. Okay, now we are going to look at how it will make this interesting, because it is very interesting, guys. Let me just generate. Okay, I'm going to press on this red background with a white arrow there, and then I'm just going to do that. Bam, there you go. You can see over here it has generated this text, okay, or this paragraph that you can see that you can see the paragraph. It is the same as this one in terms of the form. All right, the form, the way it is 3 paragraph, and also here it's 3 paragraph. Okay, but what actually is different, it is that this one that I've generated, it is the same thing. It says the same thing, but they have changed, okay, some words and some very nice words here. Let me just read it and let me show you what I'm talking about. Over here, when you read the first paragraph there, it says, "It's finally happened. A major worldwide government has just bestowed a huge vote of confidence and legitimacy onto the world of cryptocurrency. China, in an unprecedented move, just announced that they are officially adopting a certain cryptocurrency as China's official coin." All right, let's read on the generated article here. Okay, it says, "It's at long last worked out. A significant overall government has recently gave a tremendous," you see, that's another word, that's a new word, "tremendous demonstration of positive support and authenticity onto the universe of digital forms of money." It's no longer a cryptocurrency, but they've changed it into a digital form of money. China is in an exceptional move, recently declared that they are authoritatively embracing a specific digital money as China's true coin. You see, they've changed their official coin to true coin. All right, so this is why, guys, you will actually want to use this. All right, if you want to actually take an article, all right, and turn it into something that you can make your own. All right, and then you can maybe share it or make money by posting, because there are other websites that you can use to actually post some articles, and then you make money. When people read, you make money and everything like that. All right, and also there is a website, guys. I don't know whether this works. All right, I will try that. There is a website where you can actually post articles, okay, and then make money. All right, I've made a video on that. Now I will try it with this thing and see if it will work. All right, anyway, guys, that's what you will do here. Now on the paraphrasing, I tried doing, let's open on the paraphrasing, and then we will look at how it will look like, guys. At least we will know exactly on what you will deal with when you open a paraphrasing. Now let me just paste the same article, and then let me just generate it over here with an arrow. You can see also here, well, I guess it is paraphrasing here. All right, paraphrasing everything, but it seems like it's the same thing. But if you want a paraphrase, let me make it long and let me see what it will do. Let me maybe do the spinning again. All right, I don't know. Well, I think it's the same thing. So that's what you will do here, ladies and gentlemen. So it's very easy, guys. So I will put the link of the website in the description. You can just click that and join, or maybe sign up if you want to use the website, ladies and gentlemen. Very interesting, very nice. And to be honest with you, I think I will use it, guys. All right, I will use it for myself and actually see if this is actually what it's actually going to help me to start, changing some things and making money also, and anything. All right, so you can check the website out. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, for watching and for listening, and you have a fantastic and an awesome day out there. Please take care of yourselves, subscribe to the channel, like the video. That will be appreciated. Thank you so much, and you have a fantastic day.